What's going on, guys? Titans just drafted Marcus Mariota, and I am absolutely amped right now. You can probably hear it in my voice, and I just went on my TV is right beside my real TV, so the NFL draft is playing in the background here, but I decided I'd open up a few NFL draft packs, maybe get Mariota. I'm trying to sell Vic right now at the moment. Might be a little bit stupid, but I don't even care. Let's open up some draft packs. First pack, I haven't opened MUT packs in a long time. I just had a lot of motivation right now. Oh my, okay, a Cowboys collectible. That's not really good at all. Oh, Vincent Jackson. NFL draft badge. Bears draft collectible. That's good. Okay, first pack. I don't know. That was decent, I guess. I got the Bears collectible. I got a few other things. Let's open up one more of these. I think I got enough for one more. Whew. Come on, give me something good here. I know Mariota is now... Oh, 94 Tannehill. That's decent. That's a good elite. Oh, Raiders collectible. That's pretty good. Draft badge and a Jets draft badge. Okay. That is decent. I have 600 left. I don't think I can do any more draft badges, but we can go to the store and try and get something. Try and get something out of a pro pack. I'm going to try and get Mariota gameplay tonight. I don't know how much I'll be going for. Probably a lot, but I'm going to try and get some Mariota gameplay tonight. We'll see. Nothing in that first pack. Second pro pack, and once again nothing. I got a Reggie Nelson. I don't even know how much some of these people go for. It's been a while since I've opened MUT packs, so that Tannehill might actually be a decent pull. I just have no idea because I don't even really pay attention anymore, and I didn't really even know about these. Oh, 5,000 coins. I'll take that. I've never got one of those before. Nothing. Okay, I got one more pack left. Oh, not a draft pack. I cannot afford that anymore. One more pack left. Can we get something? Oh, Combine Vernon Davis. I don't know how much that goes for either. Thank you guys for watching. There'll be more gameplay tonight once I get Mariota. I'm going to keep trying. I might even get that 7 NFL draft bundle. That seems a little crazy, but I might do it. And I guess I'll find out how good those pulls I got in that thing is because I really have no idea. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy the rest of the draft.